Copy the link in the description and paste it on your browser. Then download the middle file. Install the keyboard application. Now let's open the app. Select Enable Keyboard. Turn on NTTS Keyboard. Then select NTTS Keyboard to .apply as default keyboard. You can also select and decide which font you want to apply. This is font 1. And this is 𝚃𝚘𝚍𝚘. We can also import our own different font. And here's the iOS emojis. You can also make use of the word suggestions feature. And the text placement or personal dictionary. Let's customize it. You can adjust it based on your preference. You can also turn the mode to dark style. And you can switch the emoji key too. You can test here the keyboard. Make sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you soon. Take care.